What an amazing day this was. Hiking to the top and seeing a beautiful view. The awesome cliffs and the flat top of this mountain was amazing. You know, the flowers, they capture a beauty that lightens up the dry landscape at the top. The worries of life fly away as we trek the trails to the top of the mountain. While hiking these trails, it had some hard parts. Just like in life, we have so many hard times, but also there are always good times. And that's just how life is. It gets so hard and you're hit with so many trials and tribulations. But when you get out of those struggles, you will be so relieved. It's times like these to not take nature for granted. You can get caught up in the busyness of life, scrolling on your phone, running errands, paying your bills, and not even realize how much you're missing out on. The best part was hiking with the one I love. I have learned that God created a partner in each of our lives to combat loneliness. And when you feel lonely, spend time in nature with the one who created you. And when you feel stressed or worrisome, get to a quiet place to seek the Savior of the world. The beauty of nature is ready to be captured by photographs or just by your memory. Life is so precious, and it's important that we take the time to slow down, connect with others, and just enjoy life. Take the opportunity you have now to enter into nature, or get out and do something that you love doing. And here, as we're hiking, the good news is we made it to the top. And let me tell you, it was so relaxing to see the beautiful views down below us. All right, I'm excited to show you guys some pretty cool shots up here at Table Rock. And as you're watching this video, I hope you guys are so amazed by the nature that God has created. Life will be full of love, laughter, and gratitude when you take this step. And getting out of your comfort zone is so hard. It's so hard to get out and do something that you're not used to doing, but also it can be so fulfilling. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.